Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for another video. Been a few weeks, or actually week and a half. Been a bit slack lately. Usually I do 2 videos a week, but with everything going on here in New South Wales with the lockdown, we haven't really been able to get out and about too much. So I haven't been able to do my reviews on other bikes, but I have been able to get out today and do top 5 things that I love about this new bike. Now, it's, you know, this one, there's so many things that I love about this bike. I'm absolutely in love with the way this bike is treating me, and just the parts on this bike and the way it rides and everything is just absolutely flawless. And I am loving this bike. So yeah guys, let's get into it. Alright, actually let's start with, we're going to start with number 5, and number 5 is the looks of this bike. Now it's a little bit controversy, there's some people that really hate the way this bike looks. I absolutely love the way this bike looks, especially the rear end of this bike. I just think the rear, with that big 200 rear section tyre, the way that this sort of tapers in, the fins on the top, yeah, I mean, I absolutely love the brushed swing arm, the brushed frame. The front now, the front for me could be a little bit better. We could, you know, I'm not a huge, I wish they did some LED designs on this one. I know the new one's obviously got a different front end, but it looks too much like the 660 for me. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to see it in person, the new one, but for me, this looks amazing, and that's number 5. Let's get on the bike. Number 4. Oh. All right. Alright, so number 4, guys. Oh, so good. Alright, number 4 is the fit and finish on this bike. The fit and finish is amazing. And the equipment levels of this bike is something else as well. I think for the price it's amazing. You know, you got your electronic Öhlins on this model. You know, your big Brembo brakes. What else is really good? Obviously that rear section tyre, that 200, and you got the Super Courses SP Pirellis as standard, which are a fantastic tyre. Absolutely love them. The dash, obviously, I quite like it. Apart from not having a fuel gauge, I think it's amazing. I really like it. I think it shows good information. I love the lean angle and the throttle and the brake readout. I think it's fairly easy to use. The switch gear is really nice. But yeah guys, number 4 is the fit and finish. Absolutely amazing. Like, even just like the top clamps here, the brush swing arm and the brush frame. I am going to change the mirrors. I'm going to get some bar-end mirrors and probably change the levers. So that's probably about all I'm going to do. But yeah guys, alright, number 3. Now, number 3 comes to no surprise here, and that is this engine. Okay, it's a absolute masterpiece. I mean, I don't think there's a better engine in motorcycling, full stop. The way this bike accelerates and builds power, and the torque down low, it's really something else. Oh, amazing. Really good. Really good. I just think you really can't beat this engine as far as character, the way it accelerates, the torque, just everything about this bike, like the engine, I should say, is amazing. And if you're if you're looking at an S1000, if you're looking at an S1000 or ZX10s of the world, or the speed triples, the KTM, the Super Duke, they just don't have the character of this bike. And again, that comes down to personal preference a little bit, but I believe this has got the most character, and it's always exciting when you're riding this bike. It's a bit of a, there's a lot of drama going on, and that's what you want. Anyways, so number two is a little bit tied into the engine, I would say, but it's the sound. This sound is just like nothing else. I mean, you can't beat a V4. I think it's so good. Like, it's just, up high it sounds amazing. Down low, when you start the engine, it sounds like a MotoGP bike. It doesn't come across on camera at all how good this bike sounds, but I'm telling you, it sounds ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Alright, number one, guys. Number one. Number one, again, ties into the engine, the character, and the sound a little bit, and that is this quick shifter. This quick shifter is definitely the best, and the blipper, the best I have ever tried on any bike. It is amazing, guys. Amazing. Down blip. Oh, it's just so good. It's so smooth. Let me just get down here. Yeah, it's so smooth. It works down low, as well as it works really well up high. And that's one thing that I've noticed. I don't know where I'm going here. I'm going to go down here for a bit. That's one thing I've noticed with other bikes that I've ridden, probably apart from the BMW. The BMW's quick shifter is also fantastic. Oh, let's go down here. Yeah, the BMW's is probably as good, but it's just the way it sort of sounds going through the gears. The way we'll just do a little bit of a turn around here. Yeah, so stop here for a sec. Yeah, so the way it sort of sounds when you bang through the gears is there's not as much drama as this bike. We'll go back up into the main road. But yeah, so it just, the pops, like every time you change gear, it sort of cracks, and the downshift is really, really good. The blipper just sounds amazing. I'll get back up onto the main road and I'll show you guys, and it doesn't come across on this camera, so it's quite hard to pick it up. Oh, downshift. Oh, false neutral. That doesn't happen very often. Didn't hit it hard enough. So yeah, it's just so smooth, and it works really low down the RPMs, and works really flawlessly up high, and just the sound of the quick shifter is really what makes it, that pop, and it's just so smooth. I've really never tried any bike that's apart from the BMW. I've got to say that. Oh, brakes are really good too. That's the other thing. But that, you know, that's, you know, you should get good brakes out of this bike. Being, you know, the price and spec, they work really well as well. But yeah, guys, so that's my top 5 things. Just a bit of a quick video, wanting to I'm going to do the top 5 things that I don't like as well. I don't want to go too far today. There's a bit of rain around, don't want to get stuck in the rain. But yeah, guys, quick video. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'm trying to make as much as I can. The support's been amazing. Well over at that, nearly at 1,100 subscribers. Can't thank you guys enough. Keep it up, guys, with the comments. You know, send us some comments of what you guys want to see as well. That's always appreciated. And guys, I'll catch you for the next video. Thanks for watching.